I've been neglecting cleaning my bathroom because, let's be honest, I just didn't really want to do it. So let's make it more fun and do a Valentine's themed clean. First, to pick up all the crap that's sitting out all over this room. I don't know why, but I love to just leave all my stuff out as if it's just going to put itself away. I must be shedding my own winter coat because I swear to God, there's so much hair everywhere. Onto using every piece of cleaning equipment that was pink or heart-shaped. I wiped up all of the sinks. The really unfortunate thing was, of the thousands of cleaning cloths that I own, all the pink ones were in the washing machine. Does anyone else ever catch a glimpse of themselves in the mirror when cleaning it and look like the angry Tasmanian devil? No, just me? Okay. Anyways, I was watching a video the other day and they were saying not to use cleaning cloths on your toilet. You should be using disposable cloths. And I thought, oh my God. Okay. So I immediately went and got my paper towels for the inside of the toilet. Make sure you're scrubbing next to the toilet on the ground, especially if you have boys in your house, because you would be amazed if you take a black light to it. Ugh. Off to cleaning the shower, which I know is everybody's worst nightmare. I like to spray mine and let it sit for about 15 minutes, which is the perfect time for a well-deserved break. Oh my God. I'm so glad I got one of these hair catchers because I feel like I'm shedding constantly. This thing absolutely saves my drains. Get out my electric scrub brush, which has changed the game for me, and cleaning my shower because I never have to bend down and scrub anymore. Another rule of thumb is to absolutely never, ever clean again in jeans and button down. I swear to God, it should be leggings and t-shirt required only. That's what I get for trying to fit the Valentine's Day theme. And if you're getting ready to yell at me about these matching bottles, let me explain myself. First off, visual clutter is a real thing, guys. You absolutely can become overwhelmed by just having too much color and too many items. It's a personal preference. Then to grab my wet dry vacuum so I don't have to vacuum and then mop all of my floors. Put out all your clean towels and you are finally done. Cleaning your bathroom takes forever, but doesn't it feel so good? Now close the door because nobody should be allowed in here for at least a week.